Hey everybody, welcome. My name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can enable Crosshair center dot in Valorant. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is this. Press escape and then just click here on Crosshair. Right when you're going to be in Crosshair, you're going to see right here center dot. And as you can see, when I press off, I'm going to see like no Crosshair at all. But when I'm going to turn on, I can see my Crosshair right here. So this is what I recommend. Just be in Crosshair. I don't see anything right now. Escape, Crosshair, and center dot, yes. And voila, here I have perfect Crosshair. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And yeah. So see ya.